first you're going to want to open your Tesla app, go to your solar system, and then you're going to want to click on Energy. Under Energy, it'll default typically to the day of that you're producing. You're going to want to click the drop down from day to month. If this is something that you want to send a third party and show them the previous month's production so that you can get your SRECs from your provider, you're going to want to scroll back to the previous month, and there you're going to want to click the three dots up at the top right hand corner, click on download my data, and from there I'm just going to email it to myself, and that's as simple as that. Tesla doesn't allow third parties to access their inverter or gateway data, so you're going to have to do this manually. You can decide how often you want to send it over. I prefer to send it over monthly, so at the first of every month I just go into the app, export the data, I send it over to the SREC provider so that they can get the reading and they can properly pay me for the SRECs that my solar system has produced. Please reach out to us if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks.